San Tai Tai Ni Hao. Hi ma'am, sir, good morning. My name is Haniatul Masruro. Can call me Hani. 27 years old, single from Ngawi, East Java. I have two brothers. I'm number one in my family. I have experience in Indonesia 2 years from 2019 until 2021. My job is take care one child, 3 years old daughter, help take a bath, change clothes, feeding food, also do general housework. And I have experience in Singapore 4 years from 2021 until 2025. My employer house in Indonesia, 2-story, 4 room, 3 toilet, and 3 person. Ma'am, sir, and 1 child. And my employer house in Singapore, HDB, 3 room, 2 toilet, and 4 person. Ma'am, sir, and 2 adult daughter. My job is take care children and do general housework, like cleaning the house, sweep the floor, mopping, washing by hand, ironing, gardening, and cooking. Now I am in the bedroom. This is bed, mattress, blanket, pillow, dressing table, mirror, alarm clock, and doll. Finish. See you.